Superior CVI Course Request Tutorial for selecting courses for the 2015-2016 school year. Course requests. Course requests for next year are to be inputted online by February 27th. The website will be open from February 9th until February 27th. Please access the website listed, or you can click on the flashing icon on the SCVI homepage, which reads Choose Courses Here. Please provide the following information when logging in: your student number and your password, which is your birth date as indicated. Why is it important to input your course requests? A course for the 2015-2016 school year will run based on the number of students that select it. If a course does not receive enough requests, it may be subject to cancellation. For example, if you are interested in taking Grade 11 Cooperative Education next year, you should include it in your course requests. If only a few students request it, it will likely be cancelled, and then you will be forced to choose another course to take in its place from what is available. Things to remember. Do your homework in planning your course requests. Consider all of your options, your strengths, and interests. Keep in mind post-secondary prerequisites and pathways. Talk with your teachers, parents, and counselor if you have any questions or are uncertain about anything. Make sure you have the prerequisite course completed. If you have been unsuccessful in a compulsory course, make sure you include it in your course requests. Prepare your list of course requests before you go online. Use the chart at the bottom of the planner sheet to record your choices. Once you click Submit, you are unable to change your course requests. If you need to make a change, you must make an appointment with your guidance counselor. When choosing your course requests, please keep in mind the Ontario Secondary School Diploma requirements. In order to graduate, you need to complete 18 compulsory credits as well as 12 optional credits. Successful completion of 40 community hours and the provincial literacy requirement is also a necessity. Please refer to your credit counseling summary before choosing your courses for next year. Your name and student number will be found at the top, as well as the number of completed community hours and your literacy test status. A list of your completed compulsory credits will be listed, as well as your electives. In the middle of the page, a current year courses and achievement summary can be found, and the total number of credits earned at the bottom, broken into both compulsory and electives. Please keep in mind the following when reading a course code. The first three letters identifies the subject area. For example, ENG is English. This number indicates the grade. For example, 1 is grade 9, 2 is grade 10, 3 for grade 11, and 4 for grade 12. This letter indicates the course type, and there are many. In this example, D indicates academic. And the sixth digit is assigned to further distinguish course characteristics. For example, the 1 indicates a 1-credit course, a 2 can mean a 2-credit course, an X is for girls phys ed, and a Y would indicate a boys phys ed class. How many courses am I requesting for next year? Current grade 9s. For grade 10, you will choose 6 compulsory courses and 3 electives: English, Math, Science, History, Civics, and Careers. For current grade 10s, for grade 11, you will choose 2 compulsory courses and 6 electives, the 2 compulsory being English and Math. Remember that if you need to repeat a compulsory course, you must include it in your course requests. For elective courses, refer to the course calendar and be sure to note if there is a prerequisite. For current grade 11s, for grade 12 you will choose 1 compulsory course and at least 5 elective courses, the 1 compulsory course being English. Consider your group 1, 2, and 3 compulsory credits. Consider the prerequisites you may be required to take in grade 12 for post-secondary programs and destinations. For current grade 12s, If you are not returning next year, select NRT 100 and NRT 200. If you are returning Semester 1 only, select NRT 200 plus a minimum of 3 courses for Semester 1. Online course selection instructions. Please log on to Career Cruising Pathfinder at the following website, or as indicated earlier, you can click on the flashing icon Choose Courses here on the SCVI homepage. Watch the CC Pathfinder student demonstration video before you begin. You can find it near the bottom of the login page. To log in, please have accessible your username, which is your student number, as well as your password, which is your birth date. Secondly, click on Choose My Courses from the menu on the left-hand side. Select courses in the column for next year, highlighted in blue. Click on the blue Submit button once completed. Note, once you have submitted your course selections, you will be unable to change them yourself. You must book an appointment with your guidance counselor. 5. Print the sign-off sheet, have a parent or guardian sign it, and return it to the secretary in Student Services. Just a reminder, the online site is open for course selections from February 9th to February 27th. When choosing your courses, please keep in mind the following Mathematics Pathways Prerequisite chart. This chart can also be found in your course calendar. A number of options are available for you. If you have any questions, please see your guidance counselor. The Education and Career Life Planning Framework. It is a 4-step inquiry process available on the Career Cruising website in your IPP. To further explore your future goals, access Career Cruising and My IPP, Individual Pathways Plan, at the following website. You will once again need your student number as well as your birth date. A summary of features includes Career Matchmaker, Explore Careers, Explore Education and Training, and the Career Portfolio tool. Please refer to your course request planning sheet before choosing your courses. Record your course requests in the chart at the bottom of your planning sheet. Note, all 9 slots on the planning sheet will be filled in with course selections if you are taking the half credits of Grade 10 Careers and Civics. Things to remember. Do your planning before you go online. Remember that courses run dependent on how many students select them. Book an appointment with your guidance counselor if you have any questions or concerns. Course selections must be entered online by February 27, 2015. Please book an appointment if you have any questions. Thank you for your attention.